Hey everyone, just taking my hair out of the bun that it's been in for the past week, and I am so sad to say that my hair has been feeling damaged and it's just breaking like really easily. Oh, it makes me so sad. Like, this is my hair 6 months on from my last keratin treatment. To make things worse, like, I'm even booked in to be bleaching my hair in 4 days, and I really think that is not necessarily a smart decision right now. Like, I think that's going to make everything 10 times worse. So I just really need to find a way to fix this if possible. Yeah, so that my hair has been breaking so easily that I'm like even having to like finger detangle like a lot. This is just an example now of like how easily my hair is breaking, even just from finger detangling. And I know obviously like a lot of this is normal with curly hair, like, you know, especially like afro hair, like when you've had your hair in a bun, but it's just a lot more than like I was even used to. And like one way I've been testing it, just even take one strand of my hair and just pull it a little bit, I'm just seeing my hair like break, and it's like it's not able to be elastic anymore. I think initially the keratin treatment was actually masking some of the damage. Like when this started, like I was feeling so on edge, like just worried that there was nothing I could do, and also just feeling so bad in case this happened to anyone else, like who's watched, especially anyone who's like watched like the positive videos that I've shared on here about keratin treatments. So I've just been nervous, but I spoke to a trichologist who recommended that I try the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment to just help restore strength back to my hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and so I'm just detangling my hair now as like part of the preparation. Just a warning though, like this Aphogee treatment might not be for everyone. Like, you have to be really careful with protein treatments, and if you've used too many in a short space of time, it can actually make the problem worse, as it can make your hair even more brittle. So I'll link Sindol's videos below. Like, she has made some really good videos about this, and this actually came from a recommendation from the comments, so thank you for that. It's been 6 months since my last keratin treatment, so I decided just to go for it with this Aphogee treatment. And so I'm just here like detangling now with conditioner in sections. Okay, so it has now taken me an hour and a half to detangle my hair, so it's really not good. Normally it does take me quite a while to detangle my hair when my keratin treatment has completely worn out, but I think it also took me extra long today just because I was trying to be a bit more careful. Here is just some of the hair that I lost just with that detangle, and then there was a little bit more earlier, so you can see that I am getting quite a bit of breakage, which is why I'm going to be doing the 2-step treatment to reduce that breakage. Well, yeah, am I never going to get a keratin treatment again? Probably not, but am I going to explore some things that I think are going to work for me a little bit more to try and reduce the damage that the keratin treatment does to my hair? Absolutely. So I've now fully detangled and I've made sure that my hair is completely knot free, and so I'm now going to go in the shower and use a shampoo, wash everything out, and then from what I've been reading, I'm not going to use any conditioner. I'm literally just going to shampoo my hair and then come out and towel dry and then start with the 2-step treatment. So hopefully it works. So I am now out of the shower. My hair I've shampooed and I haven't added any conditioner, so I'm a bit nervous, but fingers crossed. So I'm just going to start with the 2-step Aphogee protein treatment, and I'm going to go in and for ease I've just put it into this bottle with a nozzle. I've sectioned my hair into 4 and I'm going to go over each section. So yeah, I'm going to start and just put the 3 sections that I'm not doing straight away up, so that I can really get to this section, and I'm going to go in and really try and make sure each section is coated. Gosh, I feel nervous. Just because I've heard it's such a strong treatment, I'm a bit scared in case it goes wrong at all, but here we go. Okay, so I have combed through. I'm now gonna go and take a section like this. Okay, so that's the first section done. I'm not gonna lie, from the reviews I've seen, they basically say that you should basically be feeling your hair get hard straight away. I'm not actually feeling that, so I don't know, I'll just leave it and then hopefully it will sort itself out, we'll see. Ugh, okay, I am done. Let me go wash my hands because that is some sticky shit and it's got on my clothes and I really hope it's not gonna stain. One sec. Okay, so I'm now gonna go in with my blow dryer and oh, my hair feels horrible. It's like really starting to harden, but it's like sticky. It's like sticking to my ear and my face and my clothes. Ugh. Anyway, I'm gonna go in on a medium heat with the hairdryer just for a few minutes. Okay, so my hair is now fully dry and it feels really crunchy, really crispy. The stickiness, as it dried, I think the stickiness wore off because before, like it was horrible to be honest. I'm glad it's not super sticky anymore. So I'm now gonna go and rinse my hair and then go in with this balancing moisturizer and then go in with a deep conditioner. So I wanted it to be really hydrating. I've actually got this Garnier hair mask. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with this first. Okay, so just quickly, I'm just out of the shower and oh my gosh, this stuff is actually amazing. Like, I could not believe how the moisturising conditioner on afterwards. I wish I'd been able to film in the shower because, oh my gosh, my face, like my jaw actually dropped. And so I've got a deep conditioner in now. I'm just leaving in, gonna leave in probably for like an hour. But look at this. Oh, like my curls, they're just clumping really nicely together. They just feel really like not frizzy, and I know it's because I've got conditioner in, but even normally with conditioner my hair would not be this nice. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is leave this on for an hour, probably like put it into 2 plaits, and then I'll come back tomorrow when I've rinsed out and my hair's had a chance to dry properly, just to show show you what it's looking like the next day, and here is how my hair has dried. I went to sleep with my hair a little bit damp, which has kind of squished some of the curls a little bit. I really need to sort out how I sleep with my hair curly. I'm so happy with these results. Overall, like, I'm just so happy with these results. Like, for my curls to be this defined and all I've got in is a leave-in conditioner is amazing. And even just now doing the strength test, like if I was to take this curl for example, which has been bleached, and my hair's super fine, but even me just pulling it like this now, before the Aphogee two-step treatment, just pulling it ever so slightly like that, especially the blonde sections of my hair would just break. Whereas right now you've just seen me do that and the hair is still there and it's not broken off, which is amazing. I'm just feeling really grateful that my hair is back to good strength. Hopefully it will be able to keep that strength up for Friday, where I am obviously going to be applying bleach. Gosh, my hair is probably just like, leave me alone, and then I just keep doing more things like adding heat, adding bleach. But my motto is, at the end of the day, like, what's the point in, you know, having curly or afro hair and like embracing it and not having fun with it and trying different things? And yeah, I don't know, like, obviously some stuff can be damaging, and it is damaging, and it has been damaging, as we've seen. I needed to do this treatment in the first place, but life is too short and you've got to enjoy the things that you can enjoy. And if bleaching your hair gives you good energy, and if bleaching your hair makes you happy, then bleaching your hair, that's what I would say. Like, if bleaching my hair is going to make me happy, then I'm going to bleach my hair, you know, and I'm going to do everything I can to make sure my hair is in as good a condition as it can be before and after. But yeah, I want to do it, so I'm going to do it. In terms of, am I going to still continue to do my keratin treatments? I think so. Like, you know, just even doing this treatment, I had to spend about an hour and 20 minutes detangling my hair section by section. And I know if I had a keratin treatment in, that detangling my hair probably would have taken me like 15 minutes. So it's just the difference, you know, in terms of like time I have to spend on my hair when I've got a keratin treatment in, is just so massive that I am still keen to keep doing regular keratin treatments, but just exploring if there's different ways that I can actually make it less damaging. So whether it's like limiting the frequency of how often I do a keratin treatment, or limiting the amount of heat I use. I already try and reduce the amount of heat, but in my last keratin treatment I used a little bit more heat than I normally would have. But yeah, I am still looking to get them done, but just find a way to do it in a more sustainable way, so I'm not having, you know, lots of breakage that I'm experiencing again. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe, and if anyone's got any tips around colour, bleach, I'd love to hear it, because obviously I am going blonde on Friday and I just want to make sure that my hair's in good condition. I am going to film that whole process, so hopefully I'll have another video up of how my colour journey goes on Friday as well. Hey, I'm just editing this video now, and I've just been thinking, like, I have seen so many mixed comments with different people's experiences around keratin treatments. Like, some people have left a comment saying that keratin treatments was amazing for them and like their curly hair, especially after seeing some of these videos, and then other people have left comments saying like their hair was falling out and just some really like horrible things. So I was thinking it could be good to maybe like do like a resource or something where we like collect reviews to like find out, you know, if there's certain brands that seem to keep coming up as ones people have had bad experiences with, and same like with curl types as well, like if people with certain curl types have had like really bad experiences versus other curl types. Yeah, because it's just something I'd be interested in as well, to know like actually which keratin treatments are people having good experiences with versus bad experiences. Yeah, so anyway, I was just thinking of putting something together quickly, but I just wanted to just check and see if anyone would be willing to like share their experience, if it was like a form or something, so then we could like build up a bigger picture of different reviews around keratin treatments, specifically in relation to curly hair. So yeah, if you would be open to like sharing your experience, like I'd really appreciate it if you could just like let me know in the comments, so that I know if it's even worth putting something together like this, because I don't want to make something quickly and then like no one uses it. So yeah, if anyone would be interested, like please do let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.